Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another amazing video. Today we are going to fix that when you are using a Bluestack 5 or any emulator, and then especially Bluestack 5, then you can't drag and drop any pic or any video for you can start uploading. So how you can fix that? First of all, let me show you the problem. Here you can see this is a Bluestack, and here I want to upload a photo like that. So I click on post, then select, and there you can see this is a photo, and drag and drop here. You can see this is the cross or just denied button that I can't upload the file. So how you can do it? First of all, keep it as like that. So now I am going to download a random image from Unflush. Here you can see there's lots of free images, obviously it's royalty free. Now let me show you. Show in folder, it's downloaded and is in the JPEG file. So we are going to close the window, then that one also close the window, go to media manager, then import from Windows, then go to the file you need to upload, just select them and upload it. Boom, it's uploaded here. Now just go to home button, then go to Instagram again, then you need to go to here you can see file is already here. So that's it guys, now you can upload your record file. So guys, if you're helped by the video, please like and subscribe my channel. It will help me grow my channel. It will motivate me a lot to create more content like that. Till next video, goodbye.